speed ramping, money effects, jump cuts, explosion effects, auto and manual captions creation. So hello everybody and welcome back again to the channel after 3 months. In these 3 months I have experienced a lot of changes in my channel and I will tell that secret tricks in next video. But today we are going to see some of the new editing technique used by Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast is one of the highest subscribed YouTube channels in the world. How did he achieve this? What tricks does he use to get so much love? One of his strategies to get viewers' attention is to edit his videos as nobody can do it. He will use some cool and simple edits which will be engaging. So in today's video, we will learn some of his editing techniques. Speed ramping. You might have observed that Mr. Beast uses speed ramping in his intros, which makes his intro better. So let's learn to do it. I have imported a clip as you can see that the video is moving without any speed ramps. Select the clip and go to the speed option and select the curve option. Here you can adjust the speed of the video for a particular time, and this graph shows you the increase and decrease of speed. Let me show you how it works. After selecting this graph you can see that the video is moving fast at this time. Similarly you can try different graphs. And there is also a custom option where you can adjust your video speed as required. Money effects. You might have seen that Mr. Beast uses the money explosion effect in his videos, so let's learn to do it. I have imported a talking head and now I will write some text here. Let me write $1,000 and select the green option. Now select the text and go to the animation option and select the zoom in option and adjust its timing to 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, now this job is done. Now export this image. Now again open a new project and import the same video. Now I will import the money explosion green screen. You can find this on YouTube. Simply type money explosion green screen and you will get tons of videos which you can download. Now I want to remove this green screen. Go to remove the background option and select the chroma key and bring this pointer above green and increase the intensity. Now I want this money to explode here. Adjust the duration and select the clip and go to the mask option and select circle. Now drag this arrow and adjust it as required. Now to make it more attractive, we will add some shaking effects. Go to the effects option and select video effects. Now simply go to the trending section and select the shake effect. I will adjust its speed and intensity. Now I will add this shake effect where your money is popping out, and here is your final output. Jump cuts. You might have seen the video zooming in and out. This is called jump cuts. It's a very simple process. Now select this video and split it where you want to zoom the screen, and now select the splitted part and zoom it as required. Similarly split the video where you want to zoom in and zoom out. That's it. This is how you do jump cuts. Now let's learn the explosion effects, which is most commonly used by Mr. Beast. I have already imported a clip. Now I will add an overlay of explosion green screen, which you can easily find on YouTube. After importing we will remove its green screen. So go for remove background option and select the chroma key and increase the intensity. Now place the explosion effect where you want, and that's your final output. Captions in the video attract the viewers most, and to create caption, we have 2 methods. One is the auto caption, and another one is the manual captions. I will teach you both the ways. For creating auto caption, I have imported an audio from my previous video. So we will create auto captions now. Creating auto captions is a very easy process. Simply go to text option and select the auto caption. Here you can see that many styles are available. You can create the captions in your desired fonts and texts. And make sure that you have selected the English language while creating the captions. Now I will select this one, click on Generate option. It is all done automatically by the CAPCUT. You just need to wait for a few seconds, and here we go, the captions are created automatically. And the interesting thing is you can adjust its size, and if you don't love the font and style, then you change it. And also there are many such options where you can modify the captions. Now we are going to learn the manual captions. Go to the text option and write the first text. Now drag the text part till the end of the video. Now select the text and change the font and select the desired animation. I will select the zoom in option and I will adjust it. and by listening to the imported audio slip the text and go on rewriting the texts. Here you can see that we have created a manual captions. So that's it for today. Using many such effects, Mr. Beast is gaining the viewer's attention, and you can also do that. Start using these edits in your videos, and if you liked the video, then please do subscribe to the channel and keep supporting for many such interesting contents. Until next video, stay tuned. I will shortly meet you with another great content.